Hello students, let us continue with exercise 12.2. Now let's go to question number 13. These questions are very important, so you need to pay special attention. Alright. So the first one, you have to evaluate obviously. The first one is cube root of 512 into fourth root of 625. Okay. So we know I will convert this to exponential form. So 512 to the power 1 by 3 and this will be 625 whole to the power 1 by 4. Okay. So now 512, if you prime factorize, you will understand this is 8 cube. So 1 by 3 into 625 is 5 to the power 4 whole to the power 1 by 4. So now this 3 and 3, this is 8 into 4 and 4, this is 5. So 8 into 5 is 40. Alright. So that is question number 1. Now let's tackle question number 2. This time cube root of 125 by 27 into fourth root of 81 by 16. 16 it is. Okay. So now 125 by 27 whole to the power 1 by 3 into 81 by 16 whole to the power 1 by 4. So now 125 is 5 cube, 27 is 3 cube. So this can be written as 5 by 3 whole cube into 1 by 3 is already there, isn't it? Into 81 is 3 to the power 4. So this is 3 by 2 whole to the power 4 into 1 by 4. So 3 and 3 cancelled over here. So I am left with 5 by 3 into 4 and 4 cancelled over here. So I am left with 3 by 2. 3 and 3 cancelled again. So the final answer of this particular question is 5 by 2. Alright. So this is question number 1 and 2. Now let's go to question number 3. Now question number 3 is 6 to the power 6 to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power minus 3 into 729 whole to the power 2 by 3 divided by 125 whole to the power minus 1 by 3 into 64 to the power minus 1 by 6. So 6 to the power minus 2, nothing can be done over here, nothing can be done over here. 729 is 9 cube. So prime factorize koriba, korile gom paba, this will be 9 cube. Or 125 or 5 cube. And 64 is 2 to the power 6. So yeah, how to know the, suppose 729 is 9 cube. This is up to practice. Jimane practice koriba himane fast মোৰ নিচিনা calculation to কৰিব পাৰিব. So this will give you 6 to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power minus 3. This 3 and 3 cancelled. Yet থাকি গ'ল তোমাৰ 9 square divided by yet 3 and 3 cancel. 5 to the power minus 1 into 6 and 6 cancelled over here. 2 to the power minus 1. Now how to tackle this kind of situation? Let me explain a shortcut over here. If the power is negative, you take it down. যদি উপৰত আছে তললৈ নিবা, যদি তলত আছে ওপৰলৈ নিবা. That means 6 to the power minus 2 টো আছে তললৈ যাবগে, ওপৰত আছে 2 to the power minus 3 টো নেগেটিভ আছে এখানে টো তললৈ যাবগে. কিন্তু 9 স্কয়াৰ টো ওপৰতে থাকিব because পজিটিভ. এই 5 to the power minus 1 এটো তলত আছে, এটো ওপৰলৈ যাব. 5 to the power 1 হৈ যাব, এটো ওপৰলৈ যাব 1 হৈ যাব. I hope you have understood. Position to change kori diba, negative hole jodi upor ase tolole, tolot thakile uporle. So this will finally calculation and simplification koriba and you should get 45 by 16. Alright. So simplification, after simplification you will get 45 by 16. So that is question number 3. Now we will go to the very important question, that is question number 4. Okay, so as I said, this is very important. So 125 over here is can be written as 5 cube. So 5 cube whole to the power minus 1 by 3. 512 512, if please do prime factorization, you will understand that 512 is 2 to the power 9 and 81 is of course 9 square, we all know. Again 729 is there, so that is basically 3 to the power 6. 27 is of course 3 cube, and 64 is 4 cube. Okay, now I'll cancel all the powers, so 3 and 3 cancelled over here, 9 and 9 over here, 2 and 2 here, 6 and 6 here, 3 and 3 here, 3 and 3 here. So what is left? It equal 5 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 1 into 9 to the power 1 by 3 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power minus 1 into 4 to the power 1. In the previous question মই শিকাইছিলো যদি পাওয়াৰটো নেগেটিভ হয় পজিশনটো চেঞ্জ কৰিম। সো তলৰ পৰা 3 আৰু 3 ওপৰলৈ আহি যাব, ওপৰত 2 আৰু 9 থাকিবই, এই 5 টো তললৈ গুচি যাব, তলত থাকিব 5 and 4, 2d4 2 times, so 3 9 is 81, 5 into 2 10. The final answer is 81 by 10. So this is question number 4. I'm putting a star mark over here because this question is very important. Now let's go to question number 5. Okay, so this is comparatively easy into important question. So 81 is 9 square, so to the power minus 1 by 2. This 81 is also 9 square to the power 1 by 2 plus, this is plus 9 square ago 81 3 by 2. So this will give us 4 into 2 and 2 cancel, 9 to the power minus 1 into 2 and 2 cancel, so I am left with 9 to the power 1 means 9, 2 and 2 cancel, 9 to the power 3. This means 4 into 9 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 9, 9 plus 9 cube, 9 cube is 729, 729 plus 9, 738. Now 9 is 738 cancel karim, 9 is just 72, 1 left, 18, 9 2 are 18, so 4 into 82, that will give you the final answer 328. Alright, so that brings the end of question number 13 to Hekol. Now let's go to question number 14. Alright, so this looks like a very dangerous question rather, but it's actually very simple. 625 whole to the power, this is a power, this is a power, this is a power, so all the powers will be multiplied. So minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 4 into 2, 2 and 2 cancelled, so 625 whole to the power minus plus 1 by 4, and we know 625 is 5 to the power 4, so 5 to the power 4 into 1 by 4, 4 and 4 cancel, 5 to the power 1 thaki all means 5. Very easy, right? So now let's go to the last question, that is question number 14(2). So this is a very simple, very easy question. So 5 into 8 to the power 1 by 3 plus 27 to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 1 by 4. So this means 8 is basically, let me use another bracket over here, 8 is 2 cube whole to the power 1 by 3 plus 27 is 3 cube whole to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 1 by 4. This brings 3 and 3 cancel, 3 and 3 cancel, 5 inside you have 2 plus 3, isn't it? Whole to the power 1 by 4, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 into 5 means 5 square whole to the power 1 by 4, and my final answer is 5 to the power 1 by 2. I can also write this answer as root over 5, writing in radical form, right? This is the exponential form, this is the radical form, both are correct. You can stop here also, no issues. All right, so that brings the end of 12.2. In the next video I shall be covering the chapter text.